Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a product from Clairol. This is a box dye. First time ever using a box dye. First time using any type of dye since I've been natural. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So pretty much in a nutshell, my hair has been graying and graying just more and more and more. And the more I cut it, the more gray it gets. And you can see from this footage that I'm showing you how much gray is in my hair, especially around the sides, the edges of my hair. It's getting really bad. I don't like the salt and pepper look. It doesn't suit me. It doesn't fit me. My styles don't look right when I slick my hair back with all this gray popping out all over the place, all these little big patches of gray. It's not working for me. Either it's gonna be all gray or it's gonna be all black, but I can't do both. So we're going all black. Never thought I would be using any type of dye in my hair, but here we are. So what I'm going to be using today, again, is from Clairol. This is from their Textures and Tones line. And what I like about this line, and the reason probably why I haven't gotten any dyes or done any dyes, because of the ammonia and just very harsh ingredients. Not to say that this still doesn't have harsh ingredients, but I like that it doesn't have ammonia. I also love that it's designed for women of color. That's very important to me. So this comes in a 1N. This is a natural black color. So just a couple specs about this box dye. This is a one application, one-stop shop. Everything you need is in this box. This is a permanent moisture-rich hair color that gives you long-lasting results. And it has 100% gray coverage, which is what I am looking for. This is an anti-fade formula with jojoba and 5 botanical extracts that gives you vibrant shine and color that lasts. And this product can be used on relaxed hair as well as natural hair. What I like about the packaging of this box is on the side it has a shade selection guide, so it shows you the starting colors of what your hair color may be currently or starting out as currently, and after using this hair dye it'll show you the color results right next to it. So I would say mine is between a black and a dark medium brown. My hair is not completely black. On camera it looks black, but it's not. My hair is this dusty dull black color, kind of like an ashy black type of a color with a brown dull subtle undertone. It's weird. I have not opened up this box. As you can see, it still has the tape still on it, nice and sealed. So I'm opening this up for the first time. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. So inside of this one application kit, you're going to get the moisture-rich hair color, a developing lotion and precision tip applicator bottle, Clairol Professional Intensive Moisturizing Conditioner for use on relaxed or natural hair, instructions, and professional colorist gloves. So some things I've been using in the past since I've been natural to cover up my grays here and there. The first one is from Natural. This is the Flaxseed Edge Control in Black, which covers gray roots. And this works fairly well, but I do have to be heavy-handed to really get this product to stay and last, because it doesn't take much for this to just, you know, come out, because it's a hair gel. So that's that. The other thing I've been using is from Curls Unleashed Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. This is in a molasses color. The only problem with this temporary hair wax is once it dries, it flakes really bad. So I'll look down and I have black particles all over me, just covered everywhere on my clothes, wherever I'm sitting. So I couldn't use this anymore because I just got tired of it flaking, and the color transfers very easily if it's not dry. So that's that. Before I start this process, I'm going to wash my hair. I do have a little bit of product in my hair that can easily be washed out, so I don't think I have any product buildup. But I just want to start on a clean slate of hair. A clean slate of hair. I want to start on a clean slate of hair before I get started, so that way the color can really take. I don't want anything blocking the application, so make sure my hair is nice and clean and dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start using this hair dye. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope I get it right. I got one application, I got one job, so I hope I get this right with this one application. Oh, and I also forgot, what I also like about this product is that it doesn't cause damage. It's not going to disturb my curl pattern. I have watched videos on that to make sure that that wasn't a thing, and I have not seen that to be the case with anybody's hair, that it's going to change your hair, your curl pattern, your hair texture, or anything like that, because I like my curls. I want to keep them. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. gonna see me leave out and come back a few times because I'm such a scaredy cat. All I can think about are the instructions saying don't inhale this stuff and the side effects if you're allergic to henna. Y'all, my anxiety was so turned up. It is very dark and I'm feeling some kind of ways about this color. I feel like I want to just go ahead and wash it out. The color took very easily to my hair and my grays, and I don't really think I need to leave it on here as long as it says, so I kind of want to go ahead and just wash this out. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so that was a task. At first I got a little scared because after I washed the color out of my hair, it was feeling like really rough and starting to feel really stiff. So I rinsed it out, didn't leave it in there very long because I got scared. As you heard me in the footage, I got a little scared and I just couldn't, you know, keep it going. Nerves got the best of me, a little anxiety, so I washed it out. But once I washed it out and shampooed it and put the conditioner in, that's when my hair immediately started to soften and feel really good. So thank goodness for that deep condition, because it definitely helped my texture of my hair feel much better. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and style it. So I'm going to do two stylers. I'm going to use the Talia Wajid or Wahid Curly Curl Cream. And I'm going to also use from TGIN for extra definition and sleekness, the Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel. And once my edges are for the most part dry, I'm going to go in with the Style Factor. This is the Edge Booster. I'm so glad I didn't go with the silk black, because this natural black color takes me back to the natural black my hair actually is before the gray took over. So you can definitely see a difference from what my hair was looking like in the beginning of this video compared to now. probably the slickest my hair has ever been since I cut all my hair off. So I don't know if the color made a difference with that, but it's pretty slick. It's flat. Of course, I do have some curls that are kind of sticking up here and there, but that's okay. I want my curls to start to gradually start to flip up and look all curly cued. So yeah, that's it. Let me just give you a roundabout. Let me get a close up. Just give you a little close up here. You can see no more grays, especially on the sides here. So I'm really happy that those grays are gone. That white patch I had at the front of my head, gone, 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 gone. Although I did not leave this color on as it stated in the instructions, it did the job. It got rid of the grays. Now I don't know how long it's gonna stay gone, but it did do the job. Yeah, I'm really thoroughly pleased. I am impressed that it took as quickly as it did to my hair, and got rid of those grays pretty much instantly. Like as soon as I start putting it on, I noticed it was getting darker already. So I left it on, like I said, not all that long because my anxiety kicked in. Chemicals, every time I would smell it, I would leave out the room. I was outside, you know, getting fresh air. With this hair dye, I did not experience any burning, but you do want to make sure that your scalp is not irritated or damaged before applying this. But no problems. There was no tingling feeling. I don't know why I thought this was going to feel like a perm burning my scalp, but it didn't burn, it didn't tingle or anything like that. It was just really the smell, like, because it said in the instructions and the safety, you know, don't inhale it, and every time I smell it I run out the door. I feel more confident wearing my hairstyles, especially my slick back styles. I don't feel like I have to do a lot of manipulating to cover up these grays anymore like I was. So I can match my wig now since it's now the same color as the wig, so it won't be a hard blending technique to do. But yeah, I am very happy with the results and the turnout, and I really like this product, and that's all I got to say. And I will definitely use it again if I need to go back and re-dye. This is one I would definitely go back and repurchase again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.